Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to change material. So we have this example part, and if you want to change material, you can right click in part and then click on assign material. Now you can choose your material by clicking this drop down menu, and we can see we have a lot of options to set the material. As example, I will use this material A2 stainless steel, and then it will be set for the material settings. If you done, you can click OK. You also can change for the appearance color. You can right click and then go to edit appearance, and I will use this color, and you can click OK to apply. So to change again, you can right click on part, click edit materials, and then you can change your material in here. Okay, like we set again into chrome material. Okay, you can click and then click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial how to change material. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.